Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to create an environment under Anaconda Navigator. The first thing, we go to Environments, then we click the button Create. We give our environment a name, for example, V is environment. Then we click Create, which is also the version of Python we wanted to. It's more preferable to choose the latest one. Then we click the button Create. We wait until the creation of our environment. So my environment has been very well installed. There we can, for example, install some libraries, etc. We can search of all libraries existed, or just select those one that are not installed. If we wanted to install, for example, if we wanted to learn Jupyter Notebook or something else, we can install them there. So we go to Home, then we choose ENV, then we look after Notebook. We're looking for it. Then we click the install button.